All right, guys, here we go. This is number 12, Gold Rush baseball bat, numeral 12-0. Last one in case 3. Patty 1, Chief Keef 5, Tim 2, Chuck 3, Christopher Adams 1, Gregory 3, Nate 2, Jeremy 1, Tim 2, BSBR 1, Chuck 3, Alex 1, Kyle 2, Josh 2, and Victor 1. All right, 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Chuck, you're on top. Craig, you're on the bottom 5 times. Good. Alright. Alright, Mac, Red Sox, Brian, Rays, Chuck, Diamondbacks, Orioles, Reds, Dodgers, Twins, Jays, Chris Adams, Tigers, Craig, Brewers, Rangers, Nats, Jeremy, Cardinals, Richie, Pirates, Padres, Chief Keef, Rockies, Astros, Royals, Yankees, Giants, Griffin, White Sox, Mariners, Maxon, Braves, Cubs, Patty, Phillies, Tim, Indians, Angels, Marlins, Mets, Victor with the Athletic A's. Jose Abreu. Could be. Could be. Full-size helmet, and then we have elements up after this. Go Tigers. I don't know if Chief Keef's even on. Yeah, gold standard's nice. Real nice. Victor, you have the Oakland Athletics. Oakland Athletics. Let me know when you guys are ready to roll. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Good luck, guys. So this is number 12. So this is the last one in the case. We have another case. This is number 2, a number on 828. Sealed up. No way, Jose. Sealed up, sealed up. Oh, it's gonna be a good one. gonna be a good one. I don't know who that is. Hall of Fame 83, Beckett Cert. Can't read that far without my glasses. I wish I told you who they are. Alright. S54290, Hall of Fame 03. Any ideas? Let's see, Beckett Cert. Excuse me. Brooks Robinson. It does look like Brooks Robinson. '83. That is Brooks Robinson. All right, that'll go to the Baltimore Orioles. The Baltimore Orioles. All right, Chuck. All right, Chuck. There you go, man. Brooks Robinson, autographed baseball bat, man. Very nice. What's that, Sean? Bromeo. Brooks Robinson, good stuff, good stuff. We'll get the next one going. Number 13, brand new case. Case number 4. Brand new whip. Alright, 5 times for the 5 times. Top spot, free spot in the banish break. Here we go. Alright, once, twice, 3 times. 3 times, 4 times. 4 times, 5 times. And Kyle Griffin. Kyle Griffin. Okay. Number 12, baseball bat. Alright, good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Full-size helmets up next, followed by Elements. Baseball jersey has 15 left. Alright, nice bat going to Chuck. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you. Thank you.